8 new Mothers Union members installed at Angol Parish, Church of Uganda, Ukuru Archdeaconry in the Anglican Diocese, empowering women to serve God. During the installation of the Mothers Union on 27th December 2024, Reverend Canon Alfred Mongo, Archdeacon Ukuru Archdeaconry, said the installation ceremony marked a significant milestone for the parish as it welcomed a new chapter of the Mothers Union. He encouraged the new members to be submissive to their spouses.
Juponju kushik, juponju kumbegi, juponju kuropa Mothers Union, juponju kuwer. Gini sheke te kutimo gi imer. Bikelo berunuti pa Mungu ikindwa. Tipinma ubenyotu kanisa. Merumbe ikindwa. Merumbe ikimegu, merumbe ikinjudongu, merumbe ikindaradu. Mer nambashel, maklaru ben mer. Majumaro kumungu kaumaro mungu ubuti munamini mungu makarakala mbekumu.
During the ceremony, Honorable Grace Kuchin Freedom, Senior Presidential Advisor, who was the chief guest, emphasized the importance of the organization in supporting families and communities. She encouraged the new members to be committed to the values of the Mothers Union, which include promoting marriage and family life, supporting those in need, and advocating for social justice.
Abinu kanenu any program parango, any program pa archdeacon, ento any program pa kanisa. Anda nyati kanisa awacha bini kindu. Lembe machofu binu kudeyo any poi. Mokugi ayi mokugi amitabu ginya ashu mate ko juma mon moyo biri imodi kiri matemo abuwe chukuja ditumugi kono mi parish kono mi archdeaconry obiti mukutish.
The Mothers Union Angol Parish aims to provide a supportive community for women where they can share their experiences, learn from each other, and work together to support those in need. The organization plans to engage in various activities, including visiting the sick, supporting families in crisis, and advocating for social justice. Meanwhile, Kayany Mercy, President Mothers Union Okoro Archdeaconry, expressed her excitement to have the Mothers Union installed at her parish. She believes that this organization will provide a valuable platform for their women to come together, support each other, and serve our community.
Ya mindumukado angesh kawabino ni poro Mothers Union abora egi awanwango ni ajuponjugi ukitinye ni mindumegi daro ni ramo wafoyo mongo pinindune. Chalo mawegwa washo awamegu mi archdeaconry piny madit mabeweshi wilti ni makwanen wadekorwa andade chalo megu miro koro archdeaconry ilembe sheke mubetemere I archdeaconry ya yima tong sama pol kajuwiru Mothers Union kameni karashel kumegu mukende inwango ni.
The installation of the Mothers Union at Angol Parish, Church of Uganda, marks a new chapter in the parish history and continues to grow and serve its community. Alfred Jawok, West Nile TV, Nilecast.